you hear that? Hear what? I think I heard something. Be quiet for 1 second. Listen carefully. Yes, I hear it now too. Good morning, Emily. Good morning, Ben. Did you both sleep well last night?
We slept great, Mom. Good morning, Mother. Yes, I slept very well. Me too. I feel good today.
That is nice. I am happy to hear that.
Oh.
Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what?
I think I heard something. Be quiet for 1 second. Listen carefully.
Yes, I hear it now too. It is a strange sound. Huh? Yes, it is coming from the kitchen. From the kitchen?
That does not sound normal. No, it does not. The house was so quiet a moment ago.
Maybe something fell down.
I don't know what that sound was.
Or maybe something is moving in there.
Emily, do not say that. Stay calm, both of you. Sometimes strange sounds feel scary because we do not know what they are.
I am already a little scared.
You do not have to be scared alone. I am here with you.
Good, because I do not want to go to the kitchen by myself. No one is going alone. We will go together, slowly.
Maybe it is not the window, and my heart is beating fast now. Mine is not calm either, but we will be careful. Now let us go and see what is making that sound.
Yeah.
The kitchen door is closed.
The sound is louder now.
Yes, something is definitely inside.
Oh. Maybe it is a cat.
We do not have a cat.
Maybe a cat came from outside.
And closed the door behind it?
Fine, then maybe it is a mouse.
Oh no, I really hope it is not a mouse.
I hope it is not anything with teeth. Ben!
Enough. First we look, then we guess. What do we do now? We open the door slowly, no shouting and no fast movement.
Okay, I am ready.
I am not ready, but I am here. That is enough for now. Stay close to me.
I am very close. Ben, you are almost standing on my foot. Sorry. Ready? Yes.
I think so. I am opening it now, slowly.
Oh, look at that!
What is it? I cannot see. It is a bird. A small bird is in our kitchen. Oh no, poor little thing. How did it get in here? Look, the window is open. It must have flown in by mistake.
Oh.
It looks frightened.
Yes, and now we need to help it. It looks scared. It is very still. Yes, it is scared, and scared means feeling afraid.
Poor little bird. It does not know where to go. That is right. It is trapped in here. Trapped means it cannot find the way out, right?
Exactly. We have to help it, and we have to help it gently. Yes, gently means softly and carefully. I will be careful too.
Good. No sudden movement and no loud voice.
Mother, look at its wings. They are folded close to its body.
Yes, and it is watching us very carefully.
Wings are what birds use to fly. That is right.
It has bright little eyes. It is watching us. Yes, it is trying to understand if we are safe. It is fluffy and small, like a small pillow. Yes, a tiny flying pillow. It is fluffy and small, like a small pillow. Yes, a tiny flying pillow.
Ah, that is cute.
I was scared before, but now I feel bad for it. That is because your heart is soft, Ben.
Only a little. Okay, maybe a lot. How do we get it outside?
We open the back door and give it space.
And then?
Then we wait. We do not chase it. What does chase mean? Chase means to run after something and scare it more. We stay calm and let it choose the way out.
Exactly. Will it find the way?
I think so. Birds often follow the light. Yes, bright light helps them see the open way. Follow the light?
The back door is bright.
Good, that will help. I can open the door. Okay, the door is open now. Good, step back slowly.
I am stepping back too.
Good, let the bird see the light and feel safe. Come on, little bird, sorry. Shh, be very quiet.
I want to say something too.
Then say it in your heart.
That is hard. Everything is hard for you when you have to stay quiet.
Stay still. Still means do not move.
I am still.
You are breathing very loudly. Please keep breathing, Ben. Just more quietly. I see it moving now. Yes, it is looking at the door.
I think it sees the light.
Stay still. This is the important moment. My heart is beating so fast. Mine too.
Come on, little bird.
It is opening its wings.
I can see.
Softer, Ben. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
It is moving closer.
Yes, slowly.
It is flying.
It is near the door now.
Yes, yes.
It is outside. It flew outside. Ah! It did it. Ah!
Yes, it is free now. Free means it can go where it wants. That is right. It is back where it belongs.
Ah! I feel so happy now.
Me too. I was scared before, but now I feel proud. You should feel proud. We helped a living thing today. And we did not scare it more. Yes, sometimes helping means being patient and calm. That was the hardest part for me. We know. But both of you did very well.
Can we go outside and watch it?
Yes, let us go quietly. I can see it in the tree. Yes, it is sitting on that big branch.
Is it resting now?
Yes, resting means taking a break after something tiring. It had a very busy morning. Yes, just like us.
These don't me.
Oh, maybe more than us. Yes, it flew through a whole kitchen.
This was a special morning.
I will remember the little bird for a long time.
Me too. At first I thought something scary was in the kitchen. That is why we should not panic too quickly. Sometimes strange things just need help. That is a very nice lesson.
And a strange lesson, too.
Strange, but good. And always be gentle with living things. I will. I will remember that too. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Thank you for being with us today.
Yes, thank you. This morning started with a strange sound in the kitchen.
And we did not know what it was. We were a little scared. But then we found a small bird. It was frightened and lost. Yeah, so we helped it gently.
And in the end, it flew away free.
It was a very special morning. A strange morning, but a good one. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe. Join us again for more easy English stories. And maybe next time, the kitchen will be quiet. We hope so. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.